it ain't never flooded like this up front toward the porch. It's even getting on the porch, and it ain't done that. Not ever. Oh, the daggum toads are happy. It was not like this an hour ago. It's been coming down heavy and steady. Even out there by the crepe myrtle. Hell, I'm going to drown on the front porch if I don't hurry up. Good Lord, the driveway. You see the driveway way over there? Lord have mercy. Oh, it's driving, it's driving, it's driving. I got to get in the house. Good God of mercy. Where's an ark when you need one?